In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add fonts to Unity. So the first thing to do is to find a font somewhere. So one place that you can find fonts is fonts.google.com. So for this example, we'll try to use Roboto. So you can download this font family here. And you'll need to unzip your font family and add it to your project. We can do this. So for the example, we will just create a folder which is called fonts, and we'll add Roboto in here. And then let's start with creating a text mesh object. We'll get the Text Mesh Pro. So the first thing that you'll likely have to do if you don't have a Text Mesh Pro yet, then you'll have to import the essentials. And this will then be visible if you select this and then press F to focus. So what we then need to do is, what we want to do essentially is to find our font inside of as a font asset for this object. So in this case, of course, we've added the fonts, but we can't see it yet. So what we can then do is select all of the fonts that we want to have, press right mouse button, and then we can create from the text the font asset. So there are two ways of actually doing this. So if we just use text and then font asset, then these assets will be created, but they will not be visible inside of the font asset for this Text Mesh Pro. We will specifically have to select Text Mesh Pro. So we will select all of them once again. Create Text Mesh Pro and then font asset. And now once we go to the font asset, we can actually see the font asset appear. And that's it. This is how you create a font asset for Text Mesh Pro.